Dear learners, welcome to my online English class. Dear learners, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I also hope that you are safe from pandemic coronavirus COVID-19. I am Shamim, assistant teacher, English, Shubhampur High School. Dear learners, last class we discussed about narration part 2. So today we will discuss about narration part 3. Dear learners, before starting our today's topic, let's enjoy some images and text to guess something. He said, "Do you like martial art?" He asked if I liked martial art. The man said to Mr. Bean, "Why do you disturb me?" The man asked Mr. Bean why he disturbed him. Mother said, "May Allah bless my child." Mother prayed that Allah might bless her child. Dear learners, can you guess what we are going to discuss in our class? We discuss in our today's class direct and indirect speech of interrogative and octative sentences. So, learners, our today's lesson is how to change the speech of interrogative and octative sentences. What is interrogative sentence? Can you tell me what is interrogative sentence? Definition of interrogative sentence. The sentence which is used to know something is interrogative sentence. Follow. Do you like to follow your parents? What is the aim of your life? There are two categories of interrogative sentence. Yes, no question, WS question. ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স বা প্রশ্নবোধক বাক্য দুই ধরনের, ইয়েস নো কোয়েশ্চেন এবং ডব্লিউএস কোয়েশ্চেন। আর ইউ ওয়েল? ইয়েস নো কোয়েশ্চেন। ডব্লিউএস কোয়েশ্চেন, হু ইজ হি? Do you like my song? Asha said to Akhi. Asha asked Akhi if she liked her song. How to change yes no question from direct to indirect speech? Subject asked object if or whether plus subject plus verb plus extension. Monica said to Konika, what kind of song does Asha sing? Monica said to Konika, what kind of song Asha sang? Does she sing folk song? Said Konika. Konika asked or wanted to know if she sang folk song. The woman said, how does the man dance with the penguins? The woman asked how the man danced with penguins. How to change WS question from direct to indirect speech? Subject plus asked plus object plus WH word plus subject plus verb plus extension. What and how is the man eating? Asked he. He asked or wanted to know what and how the man was eating. Dear learners, let's practice. Mother said, have you done your homework? The doctor said to the patient, what is your problem? He said to me, can you solve the problem? The headmaster said to the boy, do you obey your parents? The father said to the son, are you sure to get a plus in the annual exam? The son said to his mother, how can I overcome the situation? Now we discuss about optative sentence. To mean, pray or wish. Optative sentence দ্বারা মূলত ইচ্ছা বা প্রার্থনা বোঝায়। যেমন প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ লক্ষ্য করো, যেমন May Allah bless my mother, said the son. How to change an optative sentence from direct to indirect speech? Subject plus prayed or wished plus that plus subject plus might plus V1 plus extension. The son prayed that Allah might bless his mother. Akhi said to Asham, may you be happy. Akhi wished that Asha might be happy. Long live Bangladesh. We wish that Bangladesh might live long. He said, happy birthday to you. He wished me happy birthday. Above rule is not effective here. লক্ষ্য করো প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, উপরের নিয়মটি এখানে প্রযোজ্য নয়। এখানে এটা ব্যতিক্রম নিয়মে হবে subject plus wished plus object. Good morning, my friends, he greeted. He greeted his friends, good morning. Homework এবার তোমাদের বাড়ির কাজ হিসেবে থাকবে নিচের বাক্যগুলি। Why did you call me yesterday? asked Sadaf. Sadaf said, have you forgotten that you promised to accompany me to go to Cox's Bazar? Now write more 4 interrogative sentences like the above and write all their indirect forms and structures you learned from the class. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, ন্যারেশনের 3টি পার্টে তোমরা যা শিখলে সেগুলোর গঠনগুলো তোমরা লিখবে। Dear learners, no more today. See you next class and continue to narration part 4. Thanks for watching this class. Dear learners, if you watch this class again, please visit our YouTube channel বাংলার কারিগর এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল বাংলার কারিগর, বেল আইকন প্রেস করবে। স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলবে। ঘরে থাকো, নিরাপদে থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।